Hey there, welcome back. I really hope that you found the first video tip useful and that you've actually started to separate out your business and personal finances and have separate bank accounts. Now, to keep the ball rolling today, what we're going to talk about today is looking at actually setting up a third bank account, and that's going to be our GST/tax/savings account, and why it's a really good idea to do this. Now, this really applies to businesses who are obviously registered for GST, but it also applies to businesses that have employees. So now, as much as we would like to keep it, the money that we collect in GST when we invoice our customers, if we're registered for GST, that money doesn't actually belong to us. It belongs to the government, it belongs to the ATO, and so we're just so much better off if we don't spend it. So to simplify things and help you much better manage your cash flow, it makes it a lot easier if you just don't have access to that money and you just put it away in a separate bank account, which is this GST/tax/savings account. So in order to do this, the way you do this is that each time one of your customers pays you, it's a really good idea to transfer at least 10% of the total amount that you've been paid into this savings account that you then do not touch. And that way the money is there ready and waiting when it's time for you to lodge and pay your quarterly BAS if you're registered for GST. If you have employees, so if your business structure is as a company, or even if you're just a sole trader or partnership with employees, then you might actually want to consider transferring across 30% into this savings account from whatever you get paid by your customers, since that way you'll also have enough money to cover paying the payroll tax for your employees, which is the money you withhold from their when you pay them their wages, so the PAYG withholding it's called, and also their superannuation payments. Also, if you manage to find a savings account that actually attracts a little bit of interest, that can actually be, quite beneficial to your business. Believe you me, you will totally thank yourself and me at BAS time if you do this, because you won't have to stress about where you're going to find the money to be able to pay your BAS. Since we all know that not having that money to pay your BAS can actually cause businesses to go bust and can be the difference between, staying afloat and going under. As they say, it is so much better to be safe than sorry. Anyway, that's it for me for today. I really appreciate your time again, and I'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.